So my name is Duncan Phillips. I am a member of the University of Louisville's American Society of Civil Engineers student chapter. So basically, the American Society of Civil Engineers, or ASCE, is a professional organization for civil engineers, and they have like these student events and student competitions yearly. So as a member, what I do is attend meetings, work on the preparations for competitions, and just try to demonstrate my knowledge to the best of my ability. So what I did, I was the captain of the design for the University of Louisville's Timber Strong build. So we had to make a miniature two-story building. So it was about 12 feet tall, 4 feet tall for each wall, and then about 4 for the roof. And I had to lead the team with the mathematical calculations for the structural stability for wind and gravity loads. So like the weight of the building, the weight of potential like occupants, and had to record that all by hand in a detailed report. And then we took those calculations and made a 3D model and used that 3D model to create building plans and then to actually construct the different building components like the roof trusses, the floor systems, etc. At the competition, we competed against Notre Dame, UK, Purdue, and a bunch of other schools. There was about, I think, 10 in the Timber Strong competition. Don't quote me on that. So what we had to do is we had to take our different building components, go on site with our plans, our calculations, and we had to assemble it in front of a live audience. So it took us about 90 minutes to get our structure completed, and then judges came in and looked at our nailing, looked at our plans, made sure everything was to spec. And there's actually this cantilevered beam. There's this overhanging beam. They put 150 pounds on that, and they calculated how far it bent. And our school had the most accurate deflection calculations. So that, I think, was something that played a big role in leading us to the win. So since we won regionals, we have a national competition coming up at Fairmont State University in West Virginia. So we're going to be competing against other schools that won their regions. So what we're doing to prepare, we had to do an inspection of our building because driving nails in and then ripping them out to tear it down and take it back to campus, we caused some notable damage to some of our wood members. So we had to do an inspection, catalog the damage, replace broken parts, and we've done most of that now. Now we're just looking at trying to find a way to fund us as we go to rent a truck and drive to West Virginia.